Without objection, the gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. In the wake of the shocking video from Chicago showing the brutal shooting of Laquan McDonald by a Chicago police officer, I rise today to encourage my colleagues to pass H.R. 2302, the Police Training and Independent Review Act. Congressman Lacey Clay and I introduced this bill earlier this year to stop local prosecutors from being tasked with investigating and prosecuting the same local police with whom they work so closely. This is an inherent conflict of interest, and what happened in Chicago is just the latest evidence that it needs to end. If enacted, the Police Training and Independent Review Act would condition the receipt of full burn JAG funding on states adopting laws to require independent investigation and, if necessary, prosecution of law enforcement officers in cases involving the use of deadly force. If we are serious about restoring a sense of fairness and justice, we need to pass this bill and remove this conflict. Law enforcement, police, sheriffs have a tough job, and they bring cases to DAs and serve as witnesses. This hand-in-glove relationship shouldn't be upset, but it also shouldn't upset justice. We've seen charges brought against officers in certain cities, but more would be brought if there were independent prosecutions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield back the balance of my time.